to the new series of our tutorial for the data analytics. So in this video, we will be talking about how to set up the directory in the R environment. Before going to set up the directory, I'll let you know the R environment and how does it work. So this part of the code, like environment you are showing, we will write our code here. Okay. This environment will show your console. Okay. This is the global environment where we will see your whatever the variable you will declare, we will see here, and these are the like files, whatever the files saved in the default directory will be reflecting here. The plots, if you create any plots in the R, will be reflecting here. The package, if you are going to install any package, you need to come this way here, and you have to click install. Then you have to type the package name and click install. Then you can install the package. Is the help button, and viewer and presentation is there. So if you create any presentation, it will show here now. So let's set up the working directory. So before set up the working directory, let's know what is the directory we are working on. So to know the current working directory, we have to write get wd and bracket open and close and control enter. So basically, if you see here in the console, so it's showing here in the desktop, there's a folder data. This is my current working directory. Now let's change the working directory. So I have to go to the folder here. I will select the document. I'll copy the path here. Now I'll use set wd. In the double quotes, I'll paste it here. Now if you can see, the slashes are the forward slashes. I'll delete and I use backslashes. I'll delete forward slash, use backslash. I'll delete forward slash, I'll use backslash. I'll delete forward slash, use backslash. Now I'll do control enter. And now if I do get wd, I can see my working directory has been changed from desktop to my document. For the coming videos, my working directory will be my document only. So this is the way you can set up your directory. See you in the next video. We will be learning about how to import the file in Excel. If you are new to the video, please subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you guys.